Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 284 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called The Quiet Drift. It's about allowing yourself to float gently through change without resistance, trusting that release doesn't have to be loud or painful. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Feel yourself soften into this moment. There's nothing to chase, nothing to prove, just a quiet drifting like a leaf carried by the wind. Now, say to yourself, I surrender to what's leaving. I trust what remains. And I am safe in this flow. Let your breath move at its own rhythm, smooth, calm, unhurried. The more you relax, the lighter your spirit becomes. When you're ready, gently return to your surroundings and carry this sense of effortless peace with you throughout your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.